Up we go, up Watchman's Trail. We are at Crater Lake. This is an easy hike. I'm wearing flip-flops because Caden said, Mom, you're a beast in flip-flops hiking. So I have permission to wear flip-flops on all the hikes because that's what I do anyway. So I guess you need to be careful of rock falls. This is what our Watchman's Trail hike looks like. And as you can see, these look like they've recently fallen. So we'll just walk around those. Look at the fog and how pretty that is. And the road down below that we came up. Yeah, the breeze does feel good. Is Dylan up here? This view. I cannot describe to you the beauty of this place. This Crater Lake. Look at the snow. You guys, it's in 60s. I'm wearing shorts, and yet there's still snow right there. Unbelievable. We're about to head up this trail. There's my kids, always steps ahead of me. So there's actually snow, if you can see over here, and it's about 69 degrees out. That is snow. This is so beautiful. And the color of this blue is just unmatched. Here's the kids, trying not to get too close to the edge, but of course, always having fun. Why did I start the RVmamaof4 online membership? Y'all, there are a number of reasons. One is so that I can explore beautiful places like this. I'm at the top of Crater Lake National Park in Oregon with my kids. And so that I can share this with others so that they can be encouraged and inspired to get out there and make memories 1 mile at a time with their kids. So that women and men alike know that you don't have to be anything special. You don't have to be rich to get out there and explore this beautiful country that God has created for us. You can do it on any budget and any skill level because I am here to teach you and to help you and to guide you and to give you the confidence and the skills that you need with my online membership community. We have coaching, courses, and community in the RVmamaof4 membership. And y'all, the other reason why I do what I do is because of community. I just interviewed 2 people that flew in from Australia to Mexico, and they've been hiking since March. Y'all, they're hiking from March through mid-September, and all they have with them is what's on their back. I am so excited to share their video. They don't even have a YouTube channel. And I am excited because, you guys, this is what life is all about. Meeting people on the road, making friends, having campfires. Last night, we actually got to sit around a campfire at our campground, talk to all kinds of different people, and we had people playing the mandolin and the guitar, and we got to sit by a campfire and roast hot dogs and marshmallows and just talk to other people that also love RVing and camping. So that is why I do what I do, and I would encourage and inspire you to reach out to me at the RVmamaof4 because I would love to help you make memories 1 mile at a time so you can explore all this beautiful country has to offer as well.